Welcome back to our Prelims PYQ series, in which we are decoding UPSC prelims from 1979 to 2024. Here we'll be solving 45 plus years of questions, arranged in a theme-wise, subject-wise manner. The same question will appear on the PYQ portal on the Academy website, and the class notes will be provided for that. Link is in the description below. Today's topic is miscellaneous of ancient India. So let's start. First question: Who is regarded as the greatest lawgiver of ancient India? 1980. I think it's very easy and obvious that Manu was the one who was called as the greatest lawgiver of the ancient India. The answer is Manu. Question number two. The following were the famous scholars in ancient India. Which of them were contemporary of Kanishk? कनिष्क के टाइम में अगर मैं बात करूं, बासुमित्रा एंड अशोक घोष were related to Kanishk post Buddhist council जो कश्मीर में हुआ था. And Nagarjuna was also contemporary, but Buddha Ghosha was not a contemporary. The answer is 1, 2, and 3, which is D. को बता दूं, we have PSP 2025 running and these are the components of it. You can take the screenshot of it and these are our USP of our PSP. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे आते हैं. कौन सा चीज करेक्टली मैच्ड 1998 का क्वेश्चन. लोथल एंशिएंट डॉकयार्ड. लोथल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अपकमिंग प्रीलिम्स. दिस इज करेक्ट. सारनाथ is the first sermon of Buddha. Yes, this is correct. Rajgir, Nile capital of Ashoka. No, this is also Sarnath, not Rajgir. This is wrong. Nalanda was a great seat of Buddhist learning. Yes, this is correct. The first, second, and fourth are correct. Answer is C. Moving to next question. What is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? 1998 का क्वेश्चन है. According to the option 3 और 4 पहले आने से 3 और 4 में पहला जो आता है वो अर्बन कल्चर आ रहा है. उसके बाद आयरन फ्लो, बिकॉज अर्बन कल्चर केम इन आईवीसी एंड आईवीसी के टाइम पे आयरन वाज नॉट टोन. आयरन जो है उसके बाद आ रहा है. 4 becomes first, तो अपने आप these can be eliminated. It is between C and D. Now punch mark silver coins or gold coins. In between that, we have punch mark silver coins coming first, then gold coins. Then the sequence is this: 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is D. Going to next question. What does Bodhayan theorem or Bodhayan Sulba Sutra relate to? Now it is related to Pythagoras theorem, which is the length of side of right angle triangle. Answer is A. बता दूं, our CSAT course is running by Devinder sir, and you can check out the components by scanning this QR code. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे. Chapter 1 of the national calendar based on Saka era corresponds to which of the following dates of Gregorian calendar in a normal year of 365 days? बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. इट इज 22 मार्च. अब यूपीएससी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा है. What is or are common to two historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram? Both are built in same period. Both belong to same religious denomination. And both have rock cut monuments. Now this is correct. Both have rock cut monuments, but both were not built in same period. और दोनों का सेम रिलीजियस डिनोमिनेशन भी नहीं था. तो आंसर इज 3B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे आते हैं. रोपर, कुमारहर, एहोल एंड श्रवण बेलगोल. नाउ यू कैन इजीली नो दैट ये करंट अफेयर्स में है श्रवण बेलगोल हमेशा से. श्रवण बेलगोल वाज बेसिकली हैविंग स्टैचू ऑफ लॉर्ड बाहुबली. तो डी इज 3. तो इजीली एलिमिनेट अदर 3 बेसिकली. अपने आप मेरा आंसर आ गया. You have to pick the right option or right match. So A is 2, Roper is treaty of alliance between Bentinck and Ranjit Singh. B is 1, Kumrahar informs about the Mauryan Empire. Aihole is the site of Chalukyan architecture. And Shravan Belkol have a statue of Lord Bahubali, the son of Rishabh Dev, which is first Tirthankar. Answer is C. Question number 10 पे आते हैं. Match list 1 with 2. You can easily match the following, but Chandela is easy. Chandela is Khajuraho temples. So B is 3. So I can eliminate 2 options and see the common ones. Okay, there is no common one. Then if you know Chalukyas and Badami is related, so C is 1. Automatically I got my answer. A becomes Deoghad, yes. North India, maybe Gupta were ruling in North India also. Then D is 2. Pallava is Panamalai. Pallavas were ruling Southern India. Panamalai is a नाम से देखो southern नाम है. The answer is A. Badami was also known as Vadapi in Karnataka. Panamalai or Kanchi in Tamil Nadu was the capital of Pallavas. Question number 11 पे आते हैं. In ancient India, the territorial name Tosali referred to. तोसाली जो है, it was around महानदी region, or can say eastern part of India. जो river है Mahanadi के आसपास, the answer is these. It was capital of Kalinga. Tosali was the capital of Kalinga. Toshali was an ancient city in the Odisha. It was the capital of Kalinga. The area of river Mahanadi referred as Tosali. ये ध्यान रखिएगा, make a note of it. With this, we complete this video. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.